Hey guys, Steve here from Mexican Beast Barbecue, and today we're making a simple yet delicious recipe that's sure to wow your friends and family. We're making pig shots. Let's get started.
First, we start off with thick cut bacon and some andouille sausage. We slice up those sausages to about 1/4 inch and slice our bacon in half. Then we take a 1/4 inch piece of sausage and we wrap half a piece of bacon around it and secure it tightly with one of our grill pins. These are a lot safer than toothpicks. Continue that process until you got them all wrapped and secured. Now, let's make our filling. Cream cheese, sharp cheddar, green chilies, diced fresh jalapeno, and season it with your favorite barbecue rub. Mix it all together. Fill up a Ziploc bag or a piping bag to make it easy to fill each one up. Now let's start filling. Fill each one up to the rim. Once they're all filled, dust the tops off with your favorite barbecue rub, and let's get these all seasoned up and ready for the grill. Today we're grilling on the Burch Barrel. Set all those pig shots in, right secure on the rack. Let's get those things cooking. Over Gels double charcoal, about 300 degrees until that bacon's crispy. Let's check them out, guys. Oh my goodness, nice and crispy. Filling looks delicious. Now let's devour them.
See how simple and easy it was? Don't forget to make these for your next event and show all your friends and family that you can grill like a beast.